Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mdevaan and welcome to my kitchen. Today I made white rice and a delicious beef stew. Please hit the subscribe button and keep watching. So I'm going to let my beef cuts, which I've coated heavily in spices, cook in this pressure pot for about 15 minutes, and right after that I'm going to fry it in groundnut oil. My meat is fried and ready to be placed in the sauce, so we're going to fry the sauce now. So I'm pouring in my pepper mix, which is peppers, tomatoes, onions, and I'm frying this with some spring onions as well. Mix all of that in, a touch of fresh herbs, curry, and we're just going to let this fry till the oil and the pepper mix separate naturally. So you want to spice your pepper mix as desired, ginger, garlic, curry, and if you like cumin, you can add that. If you like thyme, you can add that. Whatever type of spice you like, just drop that in. Make sure you mix everything and make sure your seasoning is right at this time as well, because you also have to put in into consideration the spice that you put on the meat as well, so that your stew or your sauce does not come out salty. In goes our fried beef. We're just going to mix this in and let everything incorporate together. Put in a little bit of the beef sauce and mix everything and make sure that the meat and the stew and everybody in the pot is happy and in a sweet relationship. Our beef stew is ready. You can top off with any greens you like. I'm topping up with spring onions and we're done. What are you bringing to the table? I brought white rice. Please hit the subscribe button, guys, and help me grow my channel. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Mdevaan, and it's been a pleasure. Mwah.